When I speak the words vibration, that means to raise how you feel in your body. We're going to raise our vibration. Why? Because once you raise how you feel, then great things will start to attract to you and your life. If you want to be a successful person, just model what other successful people do. So I ask you right now to consider, and as you're listening to my voice, to go ahead and model what I'm about to do for 60 seconds. I want you to do the same thing that I'm doing right now. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. Motivated, dedicated, let's go. I love you guys so much. What's up?
Hi everyone, I'm Mindset Coach Lottie Ann Silvis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome return subscribers. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, take a look at my videos. Leave your likes, your comments, then hit that subscribe button and you will be notified with my newest fresh videos. Alright, tonight actually, I'm doing a review with the Genie Script. I'm actually inside of the product area. I wasn't gonna make a video right now, but they actually canceled the Zoom meeting, so I'm creating this video. I wanted to actually connect with you what this wonderful product has done for me. I actually went through the course. You can see the proof, 100% complete. And I am going to hit that button right here. This is actually what the course comes with. It's well organized by Wesley Virgin. Okay, so you got module 1, the introduction, module 2, the inception point of success. Then module 3 talks about rules of the mind. Module 4, mind conditioner for abundance. Module 5, rewrite your subconscious mind now. Module 6, you must feel you already have it. Module 7, sensory emotional acceleration. Module 8, brain waves. Module 9, the meditation script. Module, I think that's it. And then Wesley shares then you share your experience with him. You connect with Wesley, and then you earn by sharing. So the last 3 is he just talks about how to help you make money online. But the modules are great, guys. It's really well organized. If I click on module 1, you're gonna see you can download the audio and you can listen to it over and over. This is module 1, what he talks about the course. Module 2, you're gonna have more. You're gonna have actually homework. All right, and there's an audio right here that you listen to. And you're going to post your homework. Many people have already purchased this product and they absolutely love it. This is a great product that he has put together. It's wonderful. I recommend it for anyone that want to have a new understanding of a reprogrammed mindset to think successful. This will do it. All right, to go beyond your goals or dreams, this will do it. If you commit to this 30 days, you listen to it all the time, you are gonna be blown away how actually this course will actually change your life. I want to share with you one more thing about Module 9, okay? Module 9 is also a homework. These audios right here, he takes you through the Alpha meditation, the Theta meditation, the Gamma meditation, and the Sonic Healing Gamma Wesley. That's another meditation. But if you listen to this over and over and over, you will begin to understand how manifestation and how meditation connects with you believing what you're wanting. All right, and it will come to pass. You have to actually train your mindset. You got to reprogram your mind. You got to condition it with positive affirmations, with meditating every day, and connecting, saying to yourself what you're believing for. Okay, all of this, what Wesley talks about in his product, has nothing to do with the old natural mind, the way we think. Okay, it's actually reprogramming your natural mind to a successful mindset, more of a millionaire mindset, thinking and believing in more of yourself. So going through this module, all this course is actually going to increase your self-esteem, and you're going to be a better person at the end. Believe me or not, Wesley is really good in how he can change you to become a better person. All right, guys, let me go back. All right, there's bonuses that come with the Genie Script, but I did go through the complete course, and I'm going to go through it again later tonight. What comes with it? There's other products, upsells that he does offer. I like the way his landing page, it's actually a really long video that you have to watch for 30 minutes. And then you can purchase the Genie Script. But what he does is he does other upsells along after. You got to go through the other products that he actually take you every he'll take you to every product he has, not just the Genie Script. If you want it, you can get it, or you can pass it. But he's got the 7-minute money magic, the God Mind package. All right, these are all Wesley Virgin's other products. He's got the Accelerated Secrets of a Millionaire Mind, Affirmation Cash course. I actually got this one, $1 Million Persuasive Psychology Techniques. This one is a really good product, as a matter of fact. I really like this one. I do have Wealth Visuals. This is pretty good too. I really like this product as well, the Wealth Visual course. And then he has Rapid Money Repair Treatment. I don't have that one. The bonus come with the Genie Script. You get Wealthy Frequency. I did not go through it yet, okay, so I'm taking my time. So this is one of the bonus that comes with the Genie Script. And this other one too, Occult Walking Guided Meditation Audios, that comes with the Genie Script too. That's an extra bonus. I have not completed that one yet. And then you got the Touch Exercise, Kundalini Touch Activation. That one's kind of interesting. I haven't completed that yet. And then he's got other products, Transformational Hypotherapy. Wesley's got a lot of products here. He's got Mass Control, the Fear Eliminator, and Vision Board Accelerator. Super Affiliate Secrets, YouTube ads for Genie Script. And that one's an interesting one. Mr. X, I don't know what that is, but the bonuses, these are the bonuses. Kundalini Touch Activation, Occult Walking Guide Meditation, Wealthy Frequency by binaural beat tracks, and the Genie Script. So this course is $47. I had to go through all the other upsells. I did not get it because this is actually what I wanted, and I love his course. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually go through it all over again, and it's gonna take me a couple hours just to do that, probably 3 or 4 hours. Usually it takes me that long to go through his course. And I did purchase other products that he has. Is really good. It's Overnight Millionaires. That one is really good. That one really helped me out a lot, and it wasn't as organized. We didn't have homework with that one, but it is good to listen to it, because once you keep listening to it, you're gonna start thinking just like it. So, and it's gonna change the way you think. The more you take your time investing in Wesley's courses, it will transform your life, and you will be able to get in that right mindset where you'll be able to become more successful in life. And I'm gonna go back to my channel. This is my YouTube channel, and I am blessed that I'm able to have a laptop. Actually, I'm so grateful for my life, for my family, for everything that I have, actually. And I started my YouTube channel 4 months ago, so I have over 200 videos so far. I'm really working on my watch time hours. I already got my subscribers. I'm over 1,000 subscribers. It's just my watch time hours. It's taking a long time. So what I've been doing is I've been trying to redo all of my thumbnails, and I'm working on it, improving it, and I'm gonna try to improve my titles too at the same time. And that's about it for tonight. I'm gonna do a lot of work tonight, but thank you for coming over to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Watch and leave your comments and likes, and I will talk to you soon. Everybody be productive, and let's go and do the job that we need to do every day to become successful. All right, bye bye guys.